Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can change the name of your Facebook page. So I'll be showing you this on a desktop computer, but the steps on mobile are somewhat similar. So we're just going to head over to the Facebook application, and the first thing you're going to need to do is come over to your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on see all profiles, and then you'll need to select the Facebook page of the name that you're trying to change. So let's say, for example, I'm trying to change the name of this eTrends online page here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. So that's going to go ahead and switch our profiles over to the page, and then from the left hand side you just need to click on your profile name, and then this will bring up your page. From the left hand side we need to come down to settings and then scroll down and come into page setup, and at the top here under name just click on view. And there'll be two different things that we can change here. So the first thing is just this name one at the top. If we come into the edit button, now this is going to change the name of our page, and bear in mind you can only do this once every 60 days. So just go ahead and type in your new page name here, and once you've finished we can just press review change. You'll need to enter your Facebook password and click request change, and then what happens is that usually goes in a review process, and it can take up to 24 hours for these changes to take effect. And another thing that we can change here is also the username as well. So if we come into this edit button, and as you can see in this example, this is just basically the URL for your page. So if you did have a custom URL and you wanted to change this as well, then just go ahead and enter this here. For the username feature, I'm actually sure we can just change this as often as we like. So just go ahead and change that, and then we can select save changes. So now if I come back over to my page, you can see the URL here is changed to the new URL. The title of the page is still the same at the moment because, like I said, it can take up to 24 hours for this change to take effect. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your Facebook page name. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.